don't really know what to say.
to you,
You
but
like the status, so
awesome.
we're making a video.
Your name, I think
It's
it's
Autry. Autry? Oh.
I don't know. It's really cool. You have really nice muscles.
Yeah.
And
You're really cute.
she said,
Have an awesome summer.
awesome summer. You're 20, so it's awesome too. Yeah. Awesome summer. I hope you have fun, and I don't know how to say your name, so it's kind of
Autry.
Autry, like Daughtry, but Autry.
I think.
I'm gonna call you Carl.
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 Because your last name's Carl?
Yeah, right there. Carl. Awesome summer. Deuces.
Peace.